Do you know about homophones? Yeah, homophones. It's kind of a new thing or a new topic for us, but we're going to learn it today. So, homophones is a kind of term where the sound is same, but the spelling and the meaning is different. So, homophone is a term where the sound is same, but the meaning and the spelling is different. For example, if I say two, TO2, what do you mean by these two? Actually, it indicates a direction. And the second one is TOO2, and it means both. And the third two is TWO. What do you mean by these two? This is our number two. So here, two, two, and two. Like the sound is just same, but the meaning and the spelling is totally different. And if I say about another example, it can be right. Right. Like WRITE, right. Here, like it's kind of a thing that we do on a paper with our hand. Yeah, right. But if I say another right, like RIGHT, right? Like it means correct. So as you can see, the spelling and the meaning is totally different, like totally different. But the sound or the pronunciation is same. So that means these are called homophones. So homophones is a term where the sound will be same, but the meaning and the spelling will be different. So yeah, it is really an important topic. And yeah, it's kind of new, but you should know it. So yeah, follow for more.